Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we connect Bluetooth speaker with our phone. Friends, you want to connect a Bluetooth speaker with your phone, so how can you connect? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon and like the video. First of all guys, open your phone setting to connect your speaker. Then guys you can see this type of setting in your Tecno phone. So once you can see guys your more connection setting, then guys you can see your Bluetooth setting. So when tap here, so we will on our phone Bluetooth, and guys now we will on our speaker. So when turn on your speaker guys, and once you can see in your speaker guys, you can see this Bluetooth icon guys. Press on Bluetooth icon, and once now come back with refresh setting guys. Sorry fans, I paused the video because of sound. So guys now you can see your speaker name. So guys tap on speaker name, then guys, it will connect in your phone after 4 and 5 seconds guys. You can see active. So guys now we can use guys Bluetooth speaker while listening song. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye guys.